First step is to remove the master cylinder. Those studs are pressed in, but sometimes they turn on you. So go ahead and clamp them with some vice grips, and then go on the interior down by the brake pedal assembly and back out the nuts. Now go in and back out the nut and bolt that holds the master cylinder plunger in. Now you need to remove the plunger from the old master cylinder and knock out the pressed studs from the old master cylinder because you'll need to reuse them. Now you need to knock off the plunger portion because all you're going to use is the push rod for the new master cylinder. The new master cylinder already has a fresh plunger with new O-rings. Woohoo! First install the new little O-ring on the end of the plunger. It's kind of what holds, it's like a keeper seal. It keeps that rod in place once you push it into the plunger. Then secure the plate with the 2 bolts. It bolts right into the back of that master cylinder. Word to the wise, make sure you put your rubber seal on there before you install the rod. Don't ask how I know. Time to bench bleed the master cylinder. I created a separate video for that, so if you want to watch it real time instead of sped up, go to that video. Oh yeah. Now remount the nut and bolt that secures the plunger rod to the brake pedal. Then reinstall the 4 nuts that go on the back side of the master cylinder. You're screwing those back onto the threaded studs. This part is not easy. There's not a lot of space. It's very angering. Let's just say I only put 3 on there instead of 4. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Now reinstall your 2 brake lines. Slide it up. So what you do is you just drill a hole in the cap of the pop bottle, run a hole all the way to the bottom, and then just put some brake fluid in there. It won't suck that all the way back in. It's just a way to create vacuum without introducing any air. So all I gotta do now is go and push the brake slowly. It'll pump the fluid through, all the air bubbles will come out, but then when it suctions, it's only suctioning on the fluid, therefore creating a 0 air environment. So it's hard because I don't have visual on this, so sometimes I use a broomstick. Sorry about the big old butt angle right here. I gave it a little blur to save you. I don't need to lose any subscribers or views because of this nasty angle. In case you can't tell, I'm using that broomstick to push on the brake pedal while I keep a visual on that bottle that's connected to the wheel cylinder underneath. Works like a charm, it's just kind of awkward. Once you've pushed all the air out, then just go in and tighten the wheel cylinder nut. Disconnect your hose, let it drain back down into the bottle, and rinse and repeat 3 more times. Now we're cooking with gas.